But no misunderstand me. So you understand but understand but once I go to base. And we can't have that. That's what she was saying. I'm great, but Joïm, I'm not like that. And the time I'm not like that, and that's okay. You're really in this to ora. The second man, why not use the thing that is in this to ora? Bahasa eko. What is up, guys? No stay back. Another unpopular opinion.
Yes.
Biar kita mibert, pero prometo say basan saka, but you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. Basan saka, but follow nos personal pages, pero most importantly is OnBrand. Ando tambe check out nos otros videos now, because nos team a lot of different content for the podcast, to challenges, to taste tests, que tipo gonna a. So check it all out. Dito ba nos YouTube channel, dos videos, nos Instagram. Awit ang ibert, for me unpopular opinion. Sibunawa kay Otto ng kaba, minasa nasa alay, pero ito kumalan ang tabo. So be sure to tune in. Pero siya, awit ang ibert, me unpopular opinion, me hope unpopular opinions. But I'm also, I just relish in that. Just because I feel like I feel like I think differently than most people. Pero me unpopular opinion ta, motivation is a myth. The feeling of motivation, thinking you need motivation, all of that is a myth. But me personally, as me, it's a myth, so you need to be able to see the bigger picture. And to be able to see the bigger picture, si buke reach, motivation is not a thing. So, si buting motivation of no, si buta feel a motivation of no, you still need to get done what you need to get done. You still need to get to the place that you need to get to. So, si buting reliable motivation, no te bira nada. I don't think it's important at all. You just have to have the willpower. That's what's important. The willpower and the understanding to know that I need to do this because of this and this reason. So make man. Ando ori na papi di man as ito inang mi por life me ko ta papi ko nanda bisa nanda gusto process, nanda gusta. And is it the difference between people that gusto process and the people that gusto reward? So motivation is the reward. But if you walk the process as I need to do this because I want to go through this, it's different. That's what I see.
Motivation is a reward.
Babu a reward as motivation. But if you don't really regard the reward as algo feasible of importante, then you focus on the process and then you go into the process literally willpower. So that's literally the process. So that is it. What I mean. Motivation is a myth. I personally don't see motivation as a thing. I feel like I can tell myself or will myself into doing things just because I understand that it needs to be done. And once it's done, we'll always reap the benefits. But in that process, I don't really see it as I need to. We need to feel like it's long.
I feel personally attacked.
I'm meeting a few notes.
No, unpopular opinion.
Unpopular opinion. Assim, the first and foremost, Mr. Bisa Joïm estava com caso à parte, pessoa. He be different than the rest of humanity, pero malu daqui como estava Bisa, so continue me estava Bisa. Pero Mr. Bisa say, because always Mr. Kumisa Bisa no Joïm tá different.
I think Mr. preface by saying that because we know him, those per preface that yakinanang, so mabisa me the feel personally attack so I'm to ngene ko e motivation to ajudar me jumpstart para me pouco começar algo. Me not that disciplined. I'm not as structured in a way ko ngene ko bisa me hasin ko to dia si me tingana of na. Si me no tingana. It's not gonna happen. Does it happen miss that what I mean motivation that thing at 3 a.m. in the morning, that's when I do it. Esta motivation ayuda me para por começar algo. And is it helpful to do that? No, because again, 3 a.m. in the morning. Pero I do agree with it's rewarding, pero no sí que it's a myth.
I think it is because the thing that you need to do has to be done anyway. So that means it doesn't matter so the motivation of that, but hasil gewoon hasil.
Pero ito depende di Kiko. So you don't have to.
What if you never have the motivation? That means you will do nothing.
No per se.
Okay, no per se. Dus Kiko si bolo asi. Bono tino motivation ko botas ko mesa wala sita. Why can you not tune into that every time?
Take a step back. That's not what I said. I said no ta turbia bo mester hasi algo. Dus no ta turbia bo mester the motivation. At least that's for me. Tinsia bambisa mi mester by trabaho. I just have to. Do I need motivation to go to work? No.
That's what I mean. If you can tap into that for everything.
Pero ito outro na depende. Wag, ting cause ko bo mester di man sort van willpower or whatever. Could miss a sacrifice somewhere. I don't know, from God or the universe. Papa yuda biya kami nagboka yega. Pero mani atrobe another thing ko apa into my mind ora buda bista pabitaku. But the visa ko si bo focus on the reward versus focus on the process.
No.
Can you say that again then?
Mabisa ko kasi mi por relate to people that focus on the process as opposed to the reward. Because the reward is a motivation to do the thing.
Yeah.
Because people that focus on the process literally going through the steps in that's the difference between people that use motivation and people that just focus on their willpower.
Okay. No, a mí dat ding enteramente ma comprendo enteramente outro pessoa. Wag sowieso si bo focus on the journey pa llegar whatever. If you focus on the process but actually do the work, that's what motivates you. Dus passou para mira progresso e coita e motivação.
That's the thing. The process doesn't mean there's progress. The process can be no progress. That's still the process, and you still need to have to do it for you to go through that process.
Pero
not by reward.
Pero ahorita bata vista si algo malo.
No, So think se um go simple, eu não toca viol, a learning curve, crazy. Bota trash años, bota trash for a long time, but not in new progresso.
Como to define bo progress agora?
Exactly. So it's not progress,
bo process, sorry. Como to define bo process?
Process is doing what needs to be done. That's what it is. It's doing what needs to be done. Para dilante, não tu beba vai mira a reward. Atrobe progress que man. But by aki. There's a reward here. So a reward might get better. But what if a process doesn't agree? What if it's like this?
Okay,
stagnant.
but amita
Are you still gonna do it or not? That's it the ami.
Yeah, okay. Mita comprende. It's not like I don't understand, pero mita sindi mane ku kosan ko bota trari ba jeba misa continuously.
See?
There's always process, no matter how small.
There's always progress, Boogeyman.
See.
I got you.
There's always progress.
I got you. See.
There's always progress, no matter how small. Tabay ting algo. At least that's in the things that I engage in. This what I say to me how I see it, pero maybe it's different for someone who does toca viol. I don't know.
See, pero mi costa. Usually there is, but what if there isn't? Dus mi no po hang mi hat riba effect ko low biting progress. So maybe there's not gonna be progress.
Yeah,
it's still a process. Pero
willpower, motivation, be from within maybe.
That's my thing.
Tapi say, wala bisa ko tam umet.
You don't know. You don't have to have motivation. You can still do it with just your willpower by telling yourself, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it regardless of the progress, to the reward of no. And at the end of the day, you will reap the benefits. Oh, para mi. I'm talking about for myself. Obviously, me unpopular opinion. Pero, si mi Mr. Atrobe, I'm trying to be as objective as possible. E problema di seita ku hina na may ami nota relish in the reward. We want to say yeah kana ka when somebody okay, boom, next. That I have that a lot. Kung minota celebrate wins like that. Maybe over the very short lived. So on to the next thing. Makabaskol, bijvoorbeeld, as you didn't know, pero as much as mita the over makabaskol, pero meko makabaskol. Like the mika is I'm already done, makabakoy next thing. Don't really relish in the say I'm a process person. Me gusta process, but a reward I don't really because I don't see it as a motivation. I see it okay, mi pora see myself working through, mi pora see myself using my strict willpower to do the thing as opposed to using the diploma bijvoorbeeld or the money as motivation to do the thing. So I throw is me saying it's it can be very unbalanced and sometimes don't be that aware just say pero still the amigo base is like me por hasi mas qua efficiency plus time me por experience more things because I don't rely on motivation.
Okay.
If I decide I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it regardless.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
I would have to say misasi eta fair pa bisa ko motivation ta umet. Because like uiteindelijk porta pa abo eta umet because you don't need it pero
you don't work that way.
En dan otro ende si mister di equip pa poye kamina nang kiyega. And yeah, porta abo bambisa.
I just kind of like the thing motivation myth. Ik was on a book. That's honestly
MC.
Alliteration. That's what it is. Pero
atrobe it was a good conversation starter. Anto mita pensa dame ku si mi ku e bo situation about bakaba school bunta boyega inananto but up to the next thing tiene no ting e ko ipani kaba. So they need something pa money. Keep the panayega.
I was done before.
Yes. I was done before. Okay, mi me se llega, me se gradua, me se kiko. Okay, no step by step yega nana. Tia no ting ekoi. Their mind don't work that way.
I get it, bro. Sí, nem te pensaba que iba a pensar.
It's fine. Pero equita thought. Equita thought to someone. No te tingende. Me say pacaro mouse so gonna reach. Another carrot. Oh, was that okay? But do work na sa akin.
What am I, a horse?
Nanda was a nanda si ko donkeys, but nang donkeys sa natin ko bay. Nanda po ni carrots na nanda direct them where they should go. They say
because that's instinct. That's instinct.
See, pero no hold sa may mess. Oh, ako mo forbo.
See, you're a carrot. Carrot.
No, pero ko Kiko?
Kiko gusto comer?
If I like carrots?
No, Kiko gusto comer dan.
Whatever. Pero sí.
A treat.
Mi mes. Mita lose ding a process. Mita lose gana. Mita lose where I'm looking toward. What am I working towards? Mi ding a process. Ting yen typical gevoelke emotions in present moment awaki. Kuno dan nami chance support. Pass past that feeling. Papo sige disciplined. I need something could have me feel again. Oh, okay. I can't be doing this for. Kami na work. Elementary work. I'm contractually bound. See, contractually bound to say, I need to pay my bills. I need to eat. Dus me think hoe kom ik denk aan of nou met erbij. Tindia, ik ben zo ziek. Ja, ik heb hulp en ik kan niet komen. Pero I have to work because I need money. Pero when we quit a passion project of a hobby, it's way easier so but nothing that same
obligation.
See. But nothing that same obligation papo and I but need going to portable property because basta kung is going to be a henequasi sports, henequasi kiko na chiki, they almost always have that kind of discipline. So not see to just to my last land the best kiko. I didn't do any of that growing up. Because I mean another thing or thing I seem to see and I mean make makansa malego mai. Next and the time I'm to pick it up years later, months later, I'm to pick it up again. Is it good? No. Because I should be, if I like something enough, I should be able to continuously work on it. Pero, a motivation ito yes you dime because timya singje and not a buy. It's either I wait for it from people working it from 3 to 6 in the morning, or I don't have it at all.
I understand all of that, but I say for me, I don't need that. No to me nota spurts of motivation. Don't get me wrong, that's not pero I don't rely on motivation.
You don't see.
I don't rely on it because it's not sustainable. It's not sustainable. Si me digo sin the water to my what if it never comes? What then? Am I not gonna do anything? And then now sabi no. If you can why can you not use it as an add-on? But someone Mario Kart but ko duro ka ba? But boost. But no mystery boost though. You don't need it. That's what I mean. You can just drive. You can just go. You can just go and win without a boost. But when they use a boost, but you can't rely on it. What if there were no boost? So that's untuk rely on just engine. No,
they're not playing no Mario Kart.
Exactly. And I'm like, okay, no, I'm gonna play it anyway. I'm gonna go. And even if I don't have a boost, see me doing boost, meegenomen. But if I don't have it, I'm still gonna go, bruv. It's long. I'm going.
Yeah.
I'm is me no que. Angel no que.
See. Pero
the difference thing. See, no, I get it. See. I wish me time put a meeting on if not put a work on something. And sometimes I do, but so to sit on coco, sit on coco bouquet. But make time, but I see, but see, but I busca when I say in a way that works for you, and to okay, now we go see and see a walkie. At least a little ounce the motivation go by, and the moment but work on it 5 minutes, but then they drive for posiga silly.
Yeah.
The abo to ngene ko sipo ha se ko bo khongi ka começa a try ko. I personally, I'm a little routine, but I cannot do that. And not work as easy for me. But me, because I took piano, boom. The minute me see the get by my name, no piano for me. To the bomb, Missa. I'm aware. No, yeah, but me go enough, it's gonna stick.
See, pero it's interesting to bring it up. So. It's a change of thought.
It really is.
Yeah.
Really is. That's really what it is.
I agree also based on sports of how you grew up, how you've been raised. So I wonder lately, di kong me sinti me bound pa by trabaho, by school, by do this, by do all of that. But when it comes to like passion projects of things that I want to work on, met de super landradig. Nou, met dat zie je. Dus dat gewoon, uiteindelijk, I don't get to it. And that I even had the point ko, temporada da ko stage, kung finding a balance between doing the things that I had to do for stage and doing things that I wanted to do for myself. I didn't know how to find a balance between that. So, eko pa mi, it's still un kind of una mitas saka Hindi kaya per se tinta makan com motivation, kasi motivation tay, pero kung mita commit to it.
See.
But we're also not robots, you know.
No.
See, the thing ora no gewoon tabay. Diam te me ente pon post money. See, but I see after work you can make time for something cool because
how about rest?
But how about me efforts?
That's also something I don't have a lot of.
That's something really important for me. See, mita cansa.
It's important for everybody though.
Baka ibig sabihin.
See, but no rest so me no okay. It's just really.
No, but see, I message me think about it's again the DM double best main quarter. At some point we miss the optimum.
Gotcha.
So I have to choose sleep at some point. And to a passion project, me da pon un dia not a bom. Pero me pon un dia pues me saco lo me por tra tempo pelo me por así. But that's not necessarily a good thought to have. But so you should be able to at least plan it ding bosimang. Pero we're not robots. This and no expect ko to robot in tempo pasi tur ko nang to. No.
Misa I think that come back to put up a little bit of planning, a little bit of what's that on changing your thought process, a little
That's
bit of
really
changing your habits. I don't know.
See,
it'll come back to that.
See,
and I think
see?
I think discipline na tayo ka tampoco ko tutur dia botin ka siya.
Yes.
No.
Ko si bo po plan dos dia pa. No, discipline ta que ko botin ka siya.
Consistency.
Das ko ba mi sa boke siya to ka piano make jarason anochi ko
Dito ka piano.
Ko si dito piano. It does still mean ko bata siya sa bapone ko edi anochi obasa physical sa trabaho wadan og pasieli. At least 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Because mita agree with the I don't think necessarily that exists. I think it does come as a push.
I agree with you.
As automatic as na natural in that
system. Maybe some motivation is a myth. So it rhymes.
No, pero
it's not reliable. It's not reliable at all. So for me at 3 in the morning, pero Chibang at 6, dus ito gewoon random. It's really random. It's not reliable, it's not tangible, it's not objective. Ito gewoon based on what?
Yeah.
What is it based on? Nothing. Momente te tur ora, but willpower te so you're really in this tur ora. Dus ik man, why not use the thing that is in this tur ora? Bahasa eko. Simiti ko bro, it's long. I can't do it. But it's atrobe, it comes with its perks. And it comes also at the cost of yourself, because I also don't know how to rest. I'm always, but it's the point. The perks I can do more things I can do more things at the same time.
Yeah.
I can study, but I work on brand stuff, but I work on music, but I work out. Tudo ko na kipareho ba mesmo dia. Like gewoon kita bay. Pero atrobe exhausted, but still.
All of that, eko ita intermisiman, pero go off.
See, exactly. But like you can, if you really, it's up here. Your mind is more. Basta misa ore ito bisa man no, but bisa ko just album doing no, because I feel like we can all do that. Mi mente not a different. Mito ko mande.
See, but
you also have the same brain I have.
See,
your brain is you have it. So,
but has many eko being easy.
I didn't say it's easy. I never said it's easy.
You just do it. You can see it being much faster. It's not bad, but
easier said than
done. So boil it down to what really matters. But say all this extra stuff is not necessary.
It's not. Nothing to the extra stuff.
Maybe no. It's not that I don't. I just be like no. Next.
Then that's
movie.
Again, it's easier said than done.
It is easier said than done, but it's also easier done than said. Also, so also do it.
See,
but you can also do it.
His brain be wired differently, so at this point go off sis. And okay, this works for you, so I guess this is how he is.
And don't get me wrong, not to judge you in the like, but I'm gonna say I don't mean like
you don't be care about people like that.
It's not care, but we also understand different, but it's an unpopular opinion. But me not to judge you for all of that, like. Angela of Rudina Bisami, Mita leave by Kubo. I'm not the same. I'm sympathetic, but to that extent, me not as empathetic as me no point because I'm not like that.
Yeah.
But me sympathetic, see. So don't get it. Don't understand for all of this. No, that's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm not saying there's a right or wrong. I'm just saying this is how I am. That's what she was saying. I'm great, but Joïm, I'm not like that. And the time I'm not like that, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Pero see that's some insight.
It's unpopular opinion though. People be the way they are, and you should mind your business.
See, like, but agree to disagree. No, me agree ko, but me disagree. I'm not gonna do that, bro.
Is it unpopular opinion? They agree to disagree. Like, can you really do it?
You really can.
They book a base, but the really money at peace can fact about agree to disagree, but this is a different video.
I'd be like, okay, boom.
See, but
I'm not really.
That goes to
really.
one of our podcasts after that. Do you want to be right or do you want to be understood?
See.
Go back to that.
Same thing. Go watch that episode. What was that? The second episode.
See.
Our second podcast. That's great. We really see second. Eu prometo that Kev, edi dosta da. Did we even do it?
Exactly. Nami te bisa nos no ahasi.
Spoilers. Nah, pero
we have a whole
now we gotta do it. That was perception.
Yeah, I'm tripping. But see, no, but that's not it. We did it, but we didn't.
No, we didn't.
We didn't. That's tough.
See, stuff planned out. Like, you guys don't know. You guys don't know. But yeah.
We just need the motivation to actually do it, guys. And some of us need it more than others. And that now, it's echo now makes it. Well, that was funny, but see. See. No, but this is my unpopular opinion, guys. Like I'm just people pensa. If there's more aliens like me, and people that feel like, nah, I'm just gonna do it. Nike sponsor me.
See, ask our productivity genius over here.
See.
That's the thing, though. I don't look at none of that.
Un día de encima, so when I ask our productivity, what did you call it?
Genius.
See, ask our productivity genius.
See.
The truth is being kunang questions, and that you tell them how to do it.
No, mi no taso ko paso trove, mi te contestar, mi te siento. Clearly, that don't work. So,
but someone, basta kita ko kubo, mi te able to give the tough love lang bisa. That's what I think you do.
Okay, how so?
I think you're very cutthroat. Bisa just do it.
See, it's really that.
See,
though.
pero but I think ko 13 once na ba episode, guys? Pero bota hopi tough love din sense mani. But ik en dat snik ik dat snik maar ik klaar. I mean a different conversation to be there. Pero that's.
Let's preface all of this by saying, meet like that with me.
Yeah,
I'm not like that with other people. Don't get it twisted. Atrobe, me not doing completely. We not doing anything. Whatever. No. Me buy leo hopi kubo. But it's also like for me, I'm like, I don't need all of this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just do it. What's that man? For me.
Yeah.
Joe, pero sí.
Disclaimer.
Sí, no,
grandi.
Sí,
for me.
Sí, atrobe, si what is the perception of the perception, koko nos no así. It's one of those things to make sure me explain what I'm saying and what I mean, but understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Don't misunderstand me. Portanto, no understand me, but don't misunderstand me, see, because that's the problem.
Sí, no sabes de perception.
Sí, no misunderstand me, see. Si por un poco me that's fine.
Yeah.
But no misunderstand me, see. So you understand, but understand, see, but understand go to base, and we can't have that. So, yeah. See, Shona.
Guys.
See, comment down below, keep it a pensa of DM nos, I don't know, whatever form of communication nowadays. Exactly. Hopefully no se contestable. I think so. I say about on-brand, but so even nos personal is tough. Pero sí, for some follow us, but we also don't be. It's funny. But see, on-brand. Tag nos demo posts of whatever what we want to do. Engage with us, please, nos keep us on the pensa, and we would love to hear it.
Yeah.
And maybe what bisa algo interesante que nos tengo run it back. Maybe.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe we invite you on the thing. Who knows? See, maybe we invite you on the thing. We don't know. Maybe.
Yeah. En dan dank je voor het doen in mensen.
Yes.
Dit is de
Bye.
Bye.